Welcome to another showing of the Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, the Cocktail Enthusiast. Today's cocktail is going to be a little different. We're looking at how to make an Italian buck. Let's go. And as always, if you like what you're about to see, hit that like button, click that subscribe button so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that oh yeah. Now let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. The original recipe states that you wanna have Cynar, but my local liquor store does not have Cynar because we're lacking in everything in Toronto. Times are tough, it is what it is, so I'm using Campari as a substitute. But if you have Cynar in your stock, use the goddamn Cynar. Trust me. Amaro Montenegro, lime juice, ginger beer, a lime, mint leaves, and today's glass of choice, a highball. Now for the pour. First, we're gonna start off with 1.5 ounces of your Campari or Cynar. After this, we wanna follow up with 1.5 ounces of your Amaro Montenegro. Next, we're gonna pour in 3/4 of an ounce of your fresh lime juice. It's been a while, but we're back on that Ziploc bag, and you know why. Because we're making cocktails at home.
Bumbleclad!
You know that feeling when you're watching a YouTube video and your body just goes into autopilot and it's like, oh, and you just suddenly click the subscribe button? Shit, man, that happens to me all the time.
Come on, man.
Now let's get this guy sealed up. It's time to shake off those demons.
Get him some milk!
It's been a while. It actually has been a while. Now you want to go ahead and pour some ice into your highball. Next, we're going to strain in our mix. Now, we're going to top things off with our ginger beer. I'm going to give the cocktail a quick stir with our mixing spoon. And lastly, for our garnish, we're going to be using a combination of lime wheels and a mint leaf. And now, it's time for the taste rating.
Okay!
Looking at this garnish again, it's literally the most extra garnish. It has no reason being this extra, aside from the fact of being extra, but it is what it is. Let's give this a taste and see what we're dealing with here. Oh wow, this is refreshing. Oh dear God, ooh, whoa. That Campari and ginger beer just double teamed my taste buds just now. Jesus fuck. Without the Cynar, okay, I can't truly give this, I can't say that. I feel like I need the Cynar to know what this cocktail truly tastes like, but for what it is right now with Campari as a substitute, it's refreshing with a spicy, bitter aftertaste to it. That's what it is. It's a trifecta of spicy, sweet, and bitterness, all in one to form a hurricane of flavor that will absolutely confuse your taste buds and send it down to the Thunderdome of taste.
What?
If that exists. But you get what I'm saying. What really bothers me the most about this cocktail though, nothing to do with the cocktail itself, but the ice, man. My clear ice tray, it got a hole in it, so now it doesn't work anymore. I have to get a new one. So look at all this cloudiness, man. I hate to see cloudy ice in my cocktails, but it is what it is. We just gotta deal with cloudy ice for a few more videos until I get another clear ice tray. And then we can bask in the aesthetics of a clear ice cocktail. That said, this is refreshing. It has 3 different flavors that culminate into one. You'd enjoy it. It's refreshing. This would be a really good spring cocktail, actually. You know what? I don't even give a shit about what season we're in. Spring the fuck up. This is it. Turn up, get that spring juice in your system. But tell you what, don't take my word for it. You take that sip and love life. Man, that was a little aggressive. Sorry about that, man. I really got in your face just now. Like, I got in your face and I apologize. So you can expect to see my next video next week, as always. And until then, sink your teeth into this cocktail. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't in the comment section below, because I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender or a specialist. I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull out my cellular device and tell you which comments stood out to me in the last video. Not that there were only like a handful anyway, but you know what I'm saying. So Brett P from my sit down video says, thank you for expanding my knowledge on cocktails. Well, Brett, thank you, because my knowledge is being expanded at the same time. I could not tell you anything about these cocktails prior to now, but it is what it is. We're giving each other knowledge. And I saw that unsubscribe. Don't blame it on the TV. I saw it. Damos came through and said, hey, it was a good chat, good sit down video. It's the things I love and you just gotta keep chugging through. Damos, you couldn't be more right. You gotta start from the bottom, claw our way to the top, and hopefully we can see the horizon in the damn distance. And Matthias S says, yo, that hair game is always on point. Well, let me tell you, okay, bless your soul, cause I don't know what I'm doing with my hair most of the time, but it works out somehow. It is what it is. I'm trying to keep the flex going. Right now I have it in a protective style so I can grow it out a bit more, but you know how it is. But anyway, that's all I got for this week. Let's wrap this video up. I'll see you guys next week for that next cocktail. Until then, enjoy your day, week, night, weekend, whatever holiday. You know what it is. I'll enjoy this cocktail in the meantime, but this was fun. I'll see you guys next week for the new cocktail, and I may do another sit down video, so stay tuned for that. Cheers.